Turning to our COVID-19 statistics today, from our sample size tested in the last 24 hours of 6,814 people, we have now reported today 727 positive cases. And I've just said 5 of those are here in Kisii. The total number now of cumulative cases is 25,138. 711 are Kenyan people, while 16 are foreigners. Men continue the lead with 539 men against 188 females. We must honestly ask ourselves as men, what is going on? How can it be that almost 540 of us, against less than 200 women, have gotten this virus in the last 24 hours only? And therefore, we need to address it. I think you will find that in terms of care, in terms of using masks, in terms of social distancing, women are just being that much more careful. And I know there might be some macho-ness, kuwa mungwana, kuwa mtu mkali, uonyeshe una nguvu, wewe huwezi kuvaa mask. Mimi ni fellow. Wewe ni fellow, mkali sana. If it was in the Wild West, you'd be slinging guns. You will die. Utakufa. Na hiyo ufelo yako. Hiyo ufelo hakuna pahali itakupeleka jameni. Hiyo ufelo macho. This is a virus. It knows no macho-ness. It is not something you are going to get a gun and fire against. And it is not something you are going to get a simian cut. This is something that will be inside you. And it will kill you. So please, I beg our men, me included, my colleague here included. I know that Mheshimiwa Senator is a doctor, so he doesn't joke around with the disease. But really, as men, we need to be a lot more careful than we are. And our behavior pattern is not helping us. Nairobi, I have said before, we are particularly concerned with almost 400 cases now, 393 cases today. We're in Nairobi. We have kept on asking our colleagues, people from this area who live in Nairobi, people from Kisii who live in Nairobi, we would like you to stay there. Stay in Nairobi, please. Hapana kuja Kisii kwa wakati huu. Ama namna gani jameni? Kwa wakati huu kaeni Nairobi, hii virusi ikikwamishwa, basi mnaweza kuja. Na si semi ati kila mtu asije, ama la sivyo ndugu yangu hapa ataniuliza sasa unasema mimi nisije hapa Kisii. Hapana, lakini ukija Kisii fanya vile amesema na vile anafanya. Amevaa mask na yeye ana keep social distancing. So please, those people who are in Nairobi, if you don't have to come here, don't come here. If you have to come here, please be very, very careful. Because the trend that we have seen is a lot of infections are actually being caused by people coming from Nairobi and bringing it. Even though there is community spread at the moment, but nonetheless, we would like to urge. But today, I am also delighted to inform you that 674 patients have recovered from the disease. From this number, 125 people are from home-based care programs, while 549 have been discharged from various hospitals, bringing the total number of discharged persons to 11,118. Our congratulations once again to our health workers. This is their effort. This is even those who are in home care are still being observed by our community health workers. And therefore, I want to thank you very, very, very much. Unfortunately, we have also today lost 14 patients. And therefore, the total number of fatalities to date in this country is some 413 people. That's a lot of people, my friends. Let's pray and hope that this number is not going to grow, is not going to keep on going up, but instead, we will stay at the levels that it is. My sincere condolences to the families and friends of those who have lost their loved ones. Tukiwa huko, tukitoka huko Nairobi, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Tukitoka huko Nairobi, sikuja peke yangu hapa, tulikuja na pia wenzangu wachache kutoka the Ministry of Health. Yule wa kwanza tulikuwa nakuja na yeye leo alikuwa my PS ambayo ni wa area hii, Susan Mochache, si unamjua? Amemsalimia, mmesalimika?